Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's discussion on a fascinating and increasingly relevant topic: the range of capabilities of drones. Drones have become integral in various fields, from photography and videography to agriculture and surveillance. Today, we delve into the question many enthusiasts and professionals ask: how far can a drone fly? To kick things off, let's discuss what factors influence the range of a drone. The range of a drone refers to the maximum distance it can cover from its controller or base station. Key factors include the type of drone, its battery capacity, and the communication technology it employs. Different drones are designed for different purposes, and their range can vary significantly. Consumer drones, like those used for aerial photography, typically have shorter ranges than professional or industrial drones. This is because consumer drones prioritize features like agility and ease of use over extensive range. One of the primary limitations on a drone's range is its battery life. Most drones operate on rechargeable lithium polymer batteries, and their flight time is directly proportional to the battery capacity. We'll explore how advancements in battery technology are pushing the boundaries of drone range. Another critical factor is the communication technology between the drone and its controller. Drones use radio waves to transmit signals, and the frequency and power of these signals impact the effective range. We'll discuss how advancements in communication technology, such as signal amplification and frequency optimization, contribute to longer drone ranges. It's essential to touch on regulatory considerations that may restrict the range of drones. Many countries have specific regulations governing drone flights, including maximum altitudes and distances from the operator. Understanding these regulations is crucial for responsible drone use. To provide a practical perspective, we'll look at some real-world examples of drones with impressive ranges. From long-endurance drones used in search and rescue missions to those employed in agricultural monitoring, we'll explore how industries leverage extended drone ranges to achieve their goals. In conclusion, the range of a drone is a multifaceted aspect influenced by various factors. As technology continues to advance, we can expect drones to reach even greater distances, opening up new possibilities for industries and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a drone hobbyist or a professional, understanding the dynamics of drone range is crucial for maximizing the potential of these aerial marvels. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of drone range. Stay tuned for more discussions on cutting-edge technology. Until next time, fly safely.